Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a HoloTaco order that I got. This is the first time I've ever ordered from them, and well, let's hopefully get into this box. Aha! There we go. So let's open up the box. The first thing that I notice is this piece here. And if I am right, yes, this is the crystal file. I love that it's so thin. It's got the cute little HoloTaco logo there. The brand name on that side. I love the colors. I should have gotten the set of 3 that had all 3 different colorways, but I didn't. And then for the additional protection, the polishes I bought were placed in this cute little box. I love the black and black embellishment. The box is matte, but the design is shiny. Love it. And so to keep from damaging my nails any further, it's got this really nasty break. I'm going to take a key, use that to get in here, where I have 4 items. The first is Frostlight. I believe this is from the holiday collection. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. The second one is Purple Slushy. This is from the second most recent collection. This is from the Rainbow collection released around June. Oh, yes. Oh my god. I'm really excited to put those on my fingers. Then I also picked up Indigo Away, which is the purpley creme. Well, technically it's indigo, but in my eyes this is like a royal purple. Oh, I'm so excited about that polish. And then lastly, I have One Coat Black. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the packaging. It's very weighty. And look at the colors. Oh, the rainbows. This packaging kind of reminds me of the Fun Lacquer bottles, but I like that this is much more angular instead of rounded. So there we go. That is my HoloTaco haul. All 4 polishes that I bought, and the nail file. I guess if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel. This channel is really not that active. I don't do much here. If you're interested in more fun things to do, you can always find me at Forged by Blackfire, which is my business channel, where I will occasionally be posting videos, lots of tutorials, progress videos, just chats, Q&As, those sorts of things. So thank you very much. Have a good one.